Have you ever wondered how the world's richest investors turn a small investment into millions? Or how they always seem to know the right stocks to buy? Today, I'm revealing stock market secrets and investment strategies that can help you grow your wealth. Whether you're a beginner or already in the game, this video will teach you how to pick the best stocks, when to buy and sell like a pro, and the common mistakes that could cost you money. Stay till the end for a special bonus tip that most investors never talk about. So, if you're ready to take control of your financial future, hit that like button, and let's dive in. Understanding the stock market. The stock market is like an auction house where people buy and sell shares of companies. But the real skill is knowing which stocks to buy and when to buy or sell. There are two key ways to analyze stocks. Fundamental analysis looks at a company's revenue, profits, and growth potential like checking a report card. Technical analysis studies stock price trends using charts like predicting weather patterns. Smart investors use both to make better decisions. How to pick the right stocks. 1. Look for strong companies. Big names like Apple and Tesla have strong fundamentals and steady growth. Check their revenue, profit, and market trends before investing. 2. Follow market trends. Invest in rising industries like AI, electric vehicles, or renewable energy. These sectors have huge growth potential. 3. Balance risk and reward. High-risk stocks bring big rewards, but safer stocks provide stability. A diversified portfolio is key. When to buy and sell stocks. The golden rule: buy low, sell high. Sounds simple, right? But emotions often get in the way. Smart investors buy when the market dips instead of panicking. Sell when prices are high, not out of fear. Use technical indicators like moving averages and RSI stock trends and avoid emotional decisions. Common investing mistakes to avoid. Investing without research. Never buy stocks just because someone says so. Always analyze before investing. Emotional trading. Fear and greed can destroy your portfolio. Stick to a strategy and avoid panic selling. Not diversifying. Don't put all your money into one stock. Spread your investments across different sectors. Bonus tip: the secret to long-term wealth. Invest in index funds and ETFs. If picking stocks feels overwhelming, ETFs like the S&P 500 offer diversification with lower risk and steady growth. The power of compounding. Invest early, reinvest your profits, and watch your money multiply over time. Final thoughts. Now that you know the basics of stock market investing, it's time to take action. Which strategy will you try first? Let me know in the comments. Like this video if it was helpful. Subscribe for more stock market tips. See you in next video. Until then, keep hustling.